Hello my dear friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we are going to solve another very interesting and challenging question from Olympiads. We have x plus 1 over y equal to 5, y plus 1 over z equal to 29, z plus 1 over x equal to m over n. We have to evaluate expression m plus n where m and n are co-prime positive integers. Means common factor is 1. So let's get started by considering this is our equation 1, this is our equation 2, and here we will write equation 3. X times y times z is also 1. So I will perform operation 1 plus 2 plus 3. So I will write 1 x plus 1 over y plus LHS of 2 y plus 1 over z, LHS of equation 3 z plus 1 over x. Now we will add RHS of equation 1 with equation 2 with equation 3. So I can write here x plus y plus z plus 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z equal to 29 plus 5 is 34 plus m over n. This equation we will call equation number 4. Now I will perform another operation. We will multiply 1 with 2 with 3. So I will write here 1 times 2 times 3. Let's write all the LHS x plus 1 over y times y plus 1 over z times z plus 1 over x. In RHS we have 5. So we will multiply 5 with 29 times m over n. Let's multiply. We'll multiply these two brackets first. So we will write x plus 1 over y as it is. Then we will multiply these two. Y times z, we can write yz. Y times 1 over x, we can write y over x. 1 over z times z, we will write here plus 1. And 1 over z times 1 over x will give us 1 over zx or xz. 5 times 29 is 145. So we will write 145 m over n. Now we will multiply these two brackets. So x with yz, we will write xyz. X with y over x, we will write here y. X with 1, we will write here x. And x with 1 over xz, we will write here 1 over z. Now we have to perform multiplication with 1 over y. So 1 over y times yz, we will get z. 1 over y times y over x, we will write here 1 over x. 1 over y times 1 over y. And 1 over y times 1 over xz, we will write here 1 over xyz. In RHS, we have 145 m over n. Now given that xyz is equal to 1. So I will use this result here and here. So I will write 1 plus x plus y plus z. So let us write x plus y plus z. Then we will write the reciprocal of xyz. So 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z. Then we have 1 over xyz. So we will write 1 over 1. So 1. RHS is 145 m over n. Now we will utilize equation number 4 here. This is our equation 4. Value was 34 plus m over n. So I can write 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 34 plus m over n in LHS. So I will write here 1 plus 1 is 2, and from equation 4 RHS we will write here 34 plus m over n. Then we will write equal to 145 m divided by n. So 2 plus 34 is 36 plus m over n. This will be equal to 145 times m over n. Now we will subtract both sides, m over n. So I will write here minus m over n. This side also I will write minus m over n. So plus and minus m over n will get over. From LHS we will write LHS 36 equal to m over n. I will take common out. So in the bracket I will write 145 minus 1. This will give us 36 equal to 145 minus 1 is 144 m over n. Now we can divide both sides by 144. So let us divide. Divided by 144 divided by 144. So from RHS 144 we will cancel out. So I can write m over n equal to 36 over 144. Let me write here m over n equal to 36 divided by 144. Now I can factor 144, or we can directly cancel 36 and 144. So I will write here 36 over 36 times 4. 36 times 4 is 144. Now 36 will get over, we will write here 1. So we are getting m over n value equal to 1 over 4. So if we will check, this is our m, this is our n, as we have common factors between m and n 1. So I will write here m equal to 1, n equal to 4. Now we have to calculate this expression. So we will write our answer expression E equal to m plus n equal to 1 plus 4. So I can write m plus n value will be equal to 5. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.